This backyard was losing a 3-year battle with erosion. In just over a month's time, the tide has been turned. The once crumbling hillside is now safely contained with a heavy-duty wall, lush plantings, and a rushing waterfall. Todd, tell me the truth. The first time you saw Margie's backyard, did you think it could turn into something as beautiful as this?
I didn't think so. The first time we saw it, it looked like a nightmare. So this was definitely a challenging project for us.
Now, the wall was a big part of the solution to the drainage problem.
Yeah, the wall definitely is. The two-tiered wall system breaks everything up, and then we've got drainage in behind each wall with gravel. That filtrates everything down, and then we send it out away from our erosion problem.
So it doesn't wash out the lawn.
Exactly. Plus the two terrace levels allowed for planting, and that helps with the erosion and keeping everything intact.
And the terrace looks good. It's just a little bit less imposing than one giant wall would have been.
Exactly. That was the thing. We didn't want just one 10-foot wall here that we had to look at. This softens it up a little bit.
Anytime you have an erosion problem, plants are a great way to tackle it.
Yeah, definitely. The plants are going to help with the erosion. We use a lot of ground covers, things that are going to creep along the ground and you know, keep that dirt from eroding, and it's also going to help with the softening the wall and stuff.
Mulch helps too. Anything that's basically going to slow that water down before it hits bare dirt.
Yeah, all this mulch helps with that, and it also helps keep the moisture in on the plants and helps the plants out as well.
Even leaving that stump up there with the owl on it helps because those roots are still there.
Definitely, yeah. Anything we can leave intact that's going to help, you know, hold that soil in.
And that way the landscape won't wash out.
Got it.
Now, you used every trick in the book when it comes to controlling erosion, but it's important to note that you can't stop all the water that comes onto your property.
Yeah, the wall, the terrace walls, the drainage system, and the plant material, mulch, these are all good ideas to have down because you're not going to stop all of it. We just want to try to divert it around and not have it coming through one area.
Doing that stuff, you can control and divert the water if you need to.
Exactly.
Margie, at the beginning of this project, you had a serious erosion problem.
Yes.
And you said you were forcibly going to take matters into your own hands.
Yes.
Are you happy with the way it
I am extremely happy. It's beautiful.
For over 3 years, you came home and you look out of your house to that bare, eroded hillside.
No,
and
it
it's a
looked
big
ugly.
change.
It looked horrible. It looked horrible. This is great. To come home to this and to be able to sit and relax here by the fire pit, it's great.
You got the fire pit, the new patio, and that should draw you out of the house and off the deck
Yes.
and into the yard more often.
Yes, it will.
What do you think about all your new plants?
Oh, aren't they gorgeous?
They are.
They are wonderful.
Do any stand out as your favorite?
Not necessarily, because most of these plants are new to me since I moved down here from up north. I'm kind of getting used to them, trying to figure out getting out my books.
The hydrangeas look good. I like the acuba here. We've got a lot of azaleas, the ferns, and my favorite is the rosemary right down by the patio for just a little bit of fragrance.
Yeah, it's great.
Now, even Emily's got her own spot up here on the hill, and that's really important in a new landscape to take pets into consideration, especially dogs.
Yes, because she always ran up the hill and ran across. And if you can see, there's just a little clear path between what the plantings are for her to still be able to do that run.
Otherwise, she'd be trampling all the plants.
Yes, yes. I mean, it is. We had to take Emily into consideration. It's her backyard,
How
too.
can you say no to a face like this? The hot tub has found a new home, and as soon as the crew moved it, I remember you said that it's something you should have done a long time ago.
Oh, definitely should have done it a long time ago. Look how beautiful it looks as far as just inside the deck. I can see it from my window at night.
You can jump in it right from your bedroom.
Well, and I have.
Now tell me
Definitely.
about the pergola. I don't remember seeing that on the original plan.
Well, no, it wasn't on the original plan. However, Jonathan showed up one Sunday morning and decided to go ahead and put it up on a Sunday. And it looks gorgeous.
It does. So Margie, this has got to be your favorite place in the whole yard.
This is my favorite place, yes. To be able to sit here and listen to the water and watch the waterfall and hear the chimes that are on the back deck.
It's almost therapeutic, isn't it?
It's so relaxing, so different from the outside world.
Well, this whole project was about taking lemons and turning them into lemonade with your erosion problem.
Right.
And I think you've done something really special out here.
Thank you.
Thanks for letting us be a part of it.
Oh, you're quite welcome.
And thank you for joining us again on Groundbreakers. We'll see you next time. I'm trying to get my saw started up here.
Won't be long now.
Let's see what you got.
Are you rolling it on this?